In this video, I want to show you how to troubleshoot your LUXPro thermostat if the buttons are not working. Okay, so if you're trying to change temperature or maybe other settings and the buttons are not working, what you want to do is to check the display to see if you have a padlock icon. Okay, and if you can find a padlock icon here, it means the device is locked, and if it's locked, these buttons are not going to work. Okay, so what you want to do is to unlock it, and to do this you want to hit next 3 times and then hit hold. Okay, so let's go. Next, hold. Okay, so now you can see the padlock icon is gone, so now the buttons are going to work. Okay, you can see it's changing. Okay, so that's how to troubleshoot this if your buttons are not working. What you want to do is to check to see if you have a padlock icon, and if so, hit next 3 times and then hit hold to unlock it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, see you in the next one.